Do this test to find out how old your ears are. I'll play some sounds ranging from 8,000 hertz all the way up to 19,000 hertz. If you're wondering, what on earth is a hertz? It's just the frequency of the sound. Younger ears tend to hear higher frequencies. Let's see how many of the following sounds you can hear. All right. So, how did you do? If you could hear all of those frequencies, you're probably under 20 years old, but that won't last forever. Remember, age isn't the only factor. Listening to loud music, attending concerts, or even working around loud machinery can all affect your hearing over time.